Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today I'm with the Japan Racing JR19 wheel. These wheels are available in 14-inch diameters all the way up to 17, and in widths from 7 inches wide in the 14 all the way up to 10.5 like I've got here. These wheels come in a wide range of PCDs, your classic 4x100 for MX-5s, all the way up to 5x120 for BMWs. Another good thing about these wheels is the offsets are extremely low. So this 10.5 here is a minus 32 offset. So this is the sort of wheel that's perfect for people doing wide arches like a Rocket Bunny MX-5. These will go straight on and fill the arches out perfectly. So these wheels are available in a range of colours. Gunmetal centres with a polished lip like you can see here, or you can get them with gold and a polished lip.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.